Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the State Board Class 10 Science 2 chapter number 4, Environmental Management. In this two parts already we have finished. This is a third part, and in this we are going to see the very small topics left of the chapter. In that, the first one what we are having is my role in environment. In the previous topics already we have discussed about the conservation of environment and the various organizations, the voluntary organizations and the involuntary or the international standards or the international level organizations who are working for the conservation of the environment and the biodiversity. In the this particular section, my role in environment, that the what we have to study at the first, in that the first of all, the conservation, conserving the available resources, whatever resources are available in and around us, that is the plants, living organisms, everything we have to take care of that. Next is control, preventing the harm, stopping the harmful activities, changing the mindset. We should try to change the mindset of the peoples who are harming to the environment. We should take care of the our surrounding and preventing the harm in that and stopping the harmful activities. If someone is harming the environment, we should stop them and we should report at a proper level. Next, that is a production, revival of harmed factors of environment and attempting innovations. Next, awareness, that is one of the most important part, that the education, guidance, awareness, imitation, organization and participation. On the other hand, the prevention, preventing possible harms, designing new plans, factors harmful to environment, and the last one, that is the preservation, preserving whatever has been left over and the remedies to prevent further loss, preserving unknown regions. So these are the things what we can do for conserving the environment. Next, they have given is about the hotspots of biodiversity. 34 highly sensitive biodiversity spots are reported all over the world. 34 highly sensitive biodiversity spots are reported all over the world. Such areas had once occupied 15.7% area of the earth. At present, 86% of the sensitive areas are already destroyed. Means 86 are already destroyed, 86. And presently only 2.3% area of the earth has been left over with sensitive spots. It includes 1,50,000 plant species, which are 50% of the world count. So 1,50,000 species of the plants are existing in the biodiversity hotspots or the sensitive spots. So we should take care, and that 1,50,000 is almost a 50% of the world's count. Next, as far as India is concerned, about out of 135 species of animals, 85 species are found in the jungles of eastern region. About 1,500 endemic plants species are found in Western Ghat. Out of the total plant species in the entire world, 50,000 are endemic. Collect more information about locations of these hotspots present in the world. This is one of the activity they have given. Next part is 3 endangered heritage places of the country. In that, the Western Ghats spread over the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala has been endangered due to mining industries and search for natural gas. Habitats of Asiatic lion and wild bison of the region have been under threat. Manas sanctuary of the Assam is under threat due to dams and indiscriminate use of water. Tiger and rhino of that region are under threat. Sundarban sanctuary of Western Bengal is reserved for tigers. However, the tiger population and overall local environment is seriously challenged by dams, deforestation, excessive fishing, trenches dug for same, etc. So these are the endangered heritage places of the our country. The next what they have given is about the classification of the threatened species. There are other certain species which are wiping out from the earth, and that's why they are kept under the category of the endangered species. Means their population reduced very drastically and they are left very few in the earth. First one in that is the endangered species. Either number of these organisms is declined or their habitat is shrunk to such an extent that they can be extinct in near future if conservative measures are not implemented. Examples for that is the lion-tailed monkey, lesser florican. Rare species which are very few, number of these species is considerably declined. Organisms of these species being endemic may become extinct very fast. Example, red panda and the musk deer. The next what they have given is a vulnerable species. Number of these organisms is extremely less and continues to decline. Continuous decline in their number is worrisome reason. Examples like a tiger and lion. The next they have given is the intermediate species. These organisms appear to be endangered, but due to their some behavioral habits like shyness, there is no definite and substantial information. Example, giant squirrel, which also called as a shakru. Specialty of the day, 22nd May is considered or celebrated as the World Biodiversity Day. Further, they have given some information about the International Union of Conservation of Nature, IUCN, prepares the red list that contains the names of endangered species from different countries. Pink pages of this book contain the names of endangered species, while green pages contain the names of a previously endangered but presently safe species. And then after that they have given some information over here is about the World Wildlife Fund, WWF, published a survey in 2008. According to it, about 30% of animal species have become extinct over the period of 35 years. Means from 1975 to 2005 they have conducted a survey, and in that they had given this particular report. And on the other hand, they have given some more information. Let us remember, let us behave accordingly. Destroying a plant is to destroy everything, because if plants are not there, no oxygen, means automatically all the animals will die. Secondly, that is a practice afforestation to conserve environment. Then forest is wealth. Environmental protection is value education. Provident use of paper is prevention of deforestation, because paper industries are using a wood at a very large scale. So we should take care of each and every page, because if we are protecting, we are saving the pages or the paper, then means indirectly we are saving trees, and trees are nothing but the part of the forest. To practice the environmental protection is to development of human society. Pure air, pure water is key to healthy life, and that is possible only if the environment is healthy and conserved. So this is all about your chapter.